Hey everybody, welcome to Layman Cooking. In this video, we're going to see how to make tasty chicken soup, South Indian style. Alright, so the things what you require for this dish is about 300 grams of chicken. This will serve for about 2 to 3 people easily. And the chicken what you get should be with bones. Do not get a boneless chicken because the bones are the ones which is going to enrich the flavor of the soup. And you need about 100 grams of chopped onions and 150 grams of tomatoes and a few other spices and a special masala. So as we keep rolling on, I will tell you the different spices which are required for this particular dish. And the masala consists of a couple of items. Here are the items. You need about 3 Kashmiri chilies. These are Kashmiri chilies. This will not be that spicy, but it will actually enhance the overall flavor of the soup. And you also require dry chili, another 3 pieces. You need coriander and fennel seeds, pepper, all these things, all right? So these things have to be made into a fine powder, and you also need jeera seeds as well. So you need all these things to be chopped as a fine powder as a masala. So now let us see how do we start preparing the soup, and as we proceed, I'll explain in detail. So let us see what's being cooked. And most importantly, for you to start this, you need a pressure cooker. You can get a small cooker, or if you are doing for a large quantity, you can get a larger cooker as well. But subsequently, the quantities have to change. But for about 2 to 3 people, a small 3 to 5 liter cooker is much, just more than enough. And so let's start cooking. Okay, first light your stove, then keep your cooker. And the first thing you need to add is oil. Add about 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil. There you go. Let the oil get roasted, heat it up. And then add a couple of spices. So, this one, the star spice, the biryani leaves, cloves, all these spices can be added and allow it to be roasted for another 1 minute. And now let's add onion. See that? 100 grams of chopped onions are there. All right. Now let's add tomatoes. 150 grams of tomatoes. There you go. So allow it to the tomatoes as well as onions should almost be minced and boiled. Only then it will add a lot of flavor. Alright. To enhance the speed of cooking, you can add a little bit of rock salt to it. So rock salt should be just a pinch of salt. See that here? This much. More than enough. You can always add salt to taste if you want, but don't increase the overall salt quantity. Next thing to be added is turmeric powder. Add about half or 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a couple of curry leaves as well. Now stir the entire mixture in full flame for about 1 minute. Alright. Now, add a small quantity of chili powder, about 1 teaspoon. Now here comes the masala mixture, which we have already grounded and kept ready. This is the mixture. So, you see this mixture? Add about 3 spoons of this mixture, which comprises of coriander, pepper, dry chilies, fennel seeds and jeera seeds. So this mixture, you just take about 3 spoons or 3.5 spoons. Now it's time to sim the entire stove and keep cooking the mixture. Now add about 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon, 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste, and keep stirring the mixture. Alright. Now it's time to add water. So first let me add a little bit of water for 200 ml. Alright. And now increase the flame. Keep stirring the mixture. Allow the mixture to boil. And once it starts boiling, we will be adding the chicken. Now as you see, the soup is about to start boiling. The entire mixture is heated enough and it is starting to boil. So at this stage, you can add the chicken. Right? About 300 grams of chicken with bone. Just adding it. Now stir the chicken. Alright. Now, there you go, adding 1 tablespoon of garam masala, and we can also add a small quantity of chicken masala as well. Alright, about 2 spoons of chicken masala. Alright, so just stir this mixture. Allow the chickens to completely boil. Now it's time to add more water to this entire solution. Alright. Coriander leaves. Okay. We're almost done with this, so it's time to keep about 3 whistles in the cooker. Okay, so let's take it. Okay, let's present it in the serving bowl. See how well the chicken pieces are cooked. It's very beautifully cooked, tender and soft. So I hope you all enjoyed cooking the chicken soup video. Would love to get your comments on how well it has come for you all. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Looking forward to connect with you all in the next one.